Hi everyone, want to make a quick sketches in Excalidraw without starting from scratch? Excalidraw templates are your go-to solution, whether it's for brainstorming, wireframing, or flowcharting. Templates save you time and help you get started quickly. Let's dive into how to use them. First of all, open up the Excalidraw, right? And in the file menu, or in the bottom left right here, the three bars, you're gonna see export images, GitHub, and current canvas background, and you're gonna see right here the open, right? And you're gonna see right here save to desk, export as an image, or you want to basically upload your file, and you're gonna be able to upload your project as a template. You can click the three bars at the bottom left again, and you can go ahead and find the many templates by searching also from Canvas, right? If you work with the team, you're gonna be able to actually find your current template, right, and add it to your Excalidraw. And also you can use photo to upload the photo to use it from, right? So basically you can add a photo of a chart or whatever and start doing your own doing your own drawing or sketches. Let's have an example right here. Let's type Excalidraw because my account is new. Template, right? You can go ahead right here and see the Excalidraw template. You have the Microsoft right here, right? And you have the flow chart symbols, and you have the next flow, right? You can go ahead and click add to Excalidraw, and this will add 15 shapes to your library. Are you sure? I'm gonna hit OK. And as you can see, I can click the three bars at the bottom left, or I can just go ahead, click the three bars at the bottom left, and then go find in Canvas, right? And you're gonna see right here, this is a chart example, right? Let me go back and add it to Excalidraw, right? I'm gonna be able right here to see that I added it. And as you can see right here in the Excalidraw library, you're gonna be able to add the template, the chart. As you can see right here, this is a sketch. Okay, click the book icon. As you can see, you can organize it however you want. And basically, if you want more templates, you can go ahead. I'll go back to the Excalidraw libraries, right? And you can add the Kafka streams, right? And I'm gonna hit OK. Click the book icon at the top, and then add the Kafka template, right? And basically you can monitor the text, right? And you can add circles or diamonds, as we said before, right? Let me go back and select the cursor, right? And you can go ahead and change the text if you want to, right? To add whatever point you want to add, and then save the custom the custom design, right? Click the three bars at the bottom left, hit save to as a project if you want to work on it later, or export that project as a image. So there you have it. Okay, using Excalidraw templates is a super efficient way to create quick sketches without the hassle of starting from scratch. Ready to try it out? Let me know what you're sketching next. Don't forget to like and subscribe.